An action-packed day for the Prime Minister. He's on a two-day visit to his home state, Gujarat, to lay foundation stone and inaugurate multiple development projects worth over 82,000 crores, Divya. And these will be inaugurated across several districts, including Dahod, Bhuj and Gandhinagar. Prime Minister Modi will also flag off the first electric locomotive manufactured from the plant. He will also flag off Vande Bharat Express between Veraval and Ahmedabad.
That's right. So, of course, a lot expected of Prime Minister Modi. This is a very crucial visit. This is a visit that comes the first time since Operation Sindoor. He will be visiting Bhuj. He will be inaugurating and laying the foundation stone, like you mentioned, of various projects. We're talking about 33 development projects to be precise, amounting to over 53,000 crore rupees. Later, of course, he'll also be launching projects worth 24,000 crore rupees, including that key railway initiative. And also we're talking about, the various state governments will also be, hosting that very grand celebration. This is a grand welcome that's being organized in Ahmedabad ahead of Prime Minister Modi's grand 2-kilometer roadshow from the airport circle to Indira Bridge in Ahmedabad. Let's just also get our colleague Aishwarya in to take us through what's really expected of Prime Minister Modi's visit. I mean, we're talking about multiple projects that are going to be launched by Prime Minister Modi. We're talking about that initiative when it comes to the Vande Bharat Express that is going to be flagged off. So the Prime Minister there also flagging off the first electric locomotive manufactured from the plant.
Well, that's right. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to arrive to Gujarat after successful Operation Sindoor, and this is a two-day visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But here, what I can see outside Vadodara Airport, where I'm reporting from, thousands of people have arrived, and let me directly show you the glimpse of what's happening over here. Thousands of women arriving from different parts of Gujarat to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Tiranga in their hands, and they're all set to welcome Prime Minister. There are these large hoardings which welcome Prime Minister here in Baroda with the photographs of Indian Armed Forces. They visuals of the people who are all set to welcome. These are the women workers coming out from large number. Prime Minister's first visit to his home state, Gujarat.
Their faces as far as how they are going to welcome. It is Harsh we spoke to stated that it's the kind of unity that has never been seen before, and now after Operation Sindoor it has been different sub-stages. It has also been from Doria, where you can see welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi. There is these people who have come from different attires and very enthusiastic. Welcome here at Doria Airport. Prime Minister will inaugurate and lay foundation stones for developing projects worth 1,000 crores.
Right. So, of course, we can see, Radhika, visuals of all those participating in order to welcome the Prime Minister. Let's these are visuals that we have for you. Take a look at the women there dancing. Of course, this is a welcome ceremony from Prime Minister Modi. This is his home state. We're talking about various projects that are going to be inaugurated. Of course, the welcome ceremony, which will, of course, include cultural events that we can see of, the very vibrant state of Gujarat and the colors of Gujarat to the fore, being, highlighted there, being on, display there. He will be flagging off that Vande Bharat Express train that we have discussed. He will be visiting Bhuj as well. We're talking about multiple inaugurations of multiple projects to the tune of 53,000 crore rupees. Aishwarya with us. Aishwarya, of course, we are seeing, cultural activities taking place. We're seeing these dances, of course, seeing the culture of Gujarat that is being displayed. Take us through the agenda of Prime Minister Modi's visit. We are talking about multiple projects. Take us through what are these projects. We're talking about to the tune of 82,000 crore rupees that's going to be spent in the state of Gujarat by the Prime Minister.
Well, certainly it is, of course, the project's worth rupees 54,000 crore rupees that Prime Minister will be dedicating to the nation, inaugurating the locomotive engine and electronic locomotive trail projects in Dahod as well. After Vadodara Airport, he would be welcomed over here by 30,000 plus women. I can see endless people holding Tiranga in their hands to welcome Prime Minister after Operation Sindoor. And it is, of course, after that Prime Minister who would be going to Dahod. Later, he would be going to Bhuj as well. And finally, tomorrow, a public address in Gandhinagar. But it is the Make in India initiative by the Railway Production Unit in Dahod, set up with an investment of over 21,000 crore. Prime Minister to inaugurate for Jute Sudharna Pani Pavitra Yojana built as well, which is of course 21,000 crore rupees. But it is very important because Bhuj Airways was also came under attack from the Pakistani missiles and drones. Prime Minister would be visiting this evening. There are 3 road shows that are planned. Short one in Vadodara over here when Prime Minister would be arriving. He would be welcomed by more than 30,000 women Karyakartas. It is after that, of course, in Dahod and later in the evening in Ahmedabad. 3 road shows by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Gujarat, and tomorrow a mega public rally. There you can see C.R. Patil, Union Minister, also arriving to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi here in Baroda. We just had a conversation with Gujarat Home Minister Harsh Sanghvi, who stated that this kind of enthusiasm, this kind of unity has never been seen before, and this is all because after successful Operation Sindoor. And people have come from large parts of Gujarat to welcome Prime Minister in Vadodara. किस तरीके का जोश है आप लोगों के अंदर? प्रधानमंत्री पहली बार गुजरात आ रहे हैं ऑपरेशन।
बहुत जोश है और भी ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद आ रहे हैं। वी आर सो हैप्पी। हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं, हमें बहुत खुश थे।
आप लोग कहाँ से आए हैं और कितनी दूर से? आप लोग की क्या तैयारी?
वडोदरा से आर्या वहाँ से आए, आर्या से आए हैं सभी लोग।
तैयारियां हैं, आप लोगों के हाथों में तिरंगा है, जोश
क्या है, सब कुछ है, जो भी कहे हम। हमारे पास नरेंद्र मोदी है।
आपको लगता है जिस तरीके से मुंह तोड़ जवाब पाकिस्तान को दिया प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के नेतृत्व में, आगे भी अगर कोई भी आंख उठा के देखे,
जो भी जरूरत पड़ेगी, मेरा अकेला बेटा है, अगर मुझे उसे भेजना पड़ा तो मैं भेजूंगी। हम तैयार है, तैयार है।
The kind of enthusiasm and energy, if my son is available for going to the borders, then these women are ready. And of course, Prime Minister stating that Operation Sindoor is dedicated to Nari Shakti of India, and therefore the strength of 30,000 plus women over here outside Vadodara Airport is something that are unbelievable scenes. Certainly will be welcomed over here and later going to different parts of Gujarat in his 2-day tour. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Aishwarya, for getting us those details. Let's also get you this reaction from Gujarat Home Minister.
गुजरात के गृह मंत्री हर्ष सांघवी हमारे साथ हैं। जिस तरीके का उत्साह लोगों के चेहरों पर दिख रहा है, आपके चेहरे पर भी उसी तरीके का उत्साह देखने को मिल रहा है। पहली बार प्रधानमंत्री गुजरात के धरती पर पधार रहे हैं। क्या कुछ तैयारियां हैं और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर आपके लिए क्या महत्व रखती है?
आतंकवादियों की गोलियों के सामने गोलों का जवाब। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की भव्य सफलता के बाद देश के लोकप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय श्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी पहली बार जब गुजरात पधार रहे हैं, आज देश के कश्मीर से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक हर क्षेत्र में एक अलग ही प्रकार का खुशी का माहौल है। वडोदरा की गली गलियों में नारा गूंज रहा है, भारतीय सेना को अभिनंदन, मोदी जी को अभिनंदन। खासतौर पे आज आप देख सकते हो हजारों की संख्या में बहनें यहाँ पे हाथ में आरती की थाली एवं सिंदूर लेके खड़ी है, अभिनंदन देने के लिए खड़ी है, आभार मानने के लिए खड़ी है। ये अपने आप में एक बहुत ही बड़ा विषय है।
प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा ऑपरेशन सिंदूर नारी शक्ति को डेडिकेट किया जाता है और नारी यहाँ पर बड़ी तादाद में है। क्यों इस तरीके की यूनिटी ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद भारत के अंदर दिखने को मिली?
ये बहुत ही बड़ा विषय है। ये नया भारत है जो गोली का जवाब गोलों से देता है। खास तौर पे भारतीय सेना ने दुनिया भर को दिखा लिया है कि हम प्रिसीशन काम करने में कितने माहिर हैं। हमारे भारतीय सेना द्वारा आतंकवादियों को या आतंकवादी अड्डों को ध्वस्त करते वक्त एक भी आम नागरिकों को किसी भी प्रकार की ठोस ना पहुंचे, उसमें भी बहुत ही बड़ी सफलता प्राप्त की। ये बहुत बड़ा विषय है।